Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get iOS and iPadOS beta, iOS or iPadOS 14 beta. So you want to do is go to search, go in your system settings or settings. I'm using sorry, my do not disturb isn't working. I'm using Apple Pencil, so your text might be different. But you want to do backup, go here, and then hit iCloud backup on, and then hit backup now. I already hit backup. I already did a backup. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. You guys, if you want to get this, and then you want to go to Safari and type in beta.apple.com. And then let me go back a step so I can show you guys the exact steps. You should be here. So if you're doing this on an iPhone, hit iOS. iPad. If you're doing this on an iPad, hit iPadOS. And if you're doing this on a MacBook or a Mac or an iMac, then just hit macOS and watch my other video for that. Because it's a whole different device. Because an iPad and iPhone are the same, just different sizes and performance. So I'm doing an iPad. You want to keep scrolling down to enroll your iPad. If you're not at this screen, hold up, is there a farther step I can go back? Oh. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just trying to make sure I got this. Okay, yeah, if you're at this screen, you want to hit get started, or at the top hit enroll your devices. And then you should be here. This is a watch. This is an Apple Watch. I will make another video following up to getting iOS 7 beta. But yeah, like I said, iPadOS or iOS. And this is why I told you to get a backup. This one shows a MacBook because it wants you to do your backup on a MacBook. But you can do it on iCloud too, if you have enough space. Yeah, this is... And then you want to hit download profile. Hit allow. And then it says renew the profile and settings app if you want to install it. So it forces you to hit OK. So you want to go to your settings app. Oops. And then you want to go down to profile downloaded. And if you don't have that yet, go to general software update. And there should be a little install later. But no, I don't want to install this. Okay, yeah, that's gonna install later. It looks like I have a beta. And then you hold up general, go down here for profiles, make sure that is downloaded. So profile download, hit install, there should be a passcode. Yeah, because I already have it, so you can't do that. But then there should be a terms and condition. The install button should be like right here where this install button is. And it should be installing. And what I will do is bring up the software updates and make sure that that's updating. It does take a long time and a lot of space. You can see iPad storage. Yeah, I don't want a 3 gigabyte. You see, system is the gray. And others is like the lighter gray, but system is the darker gray next to apps, which is the red. That's how much it takes. So I'll advise you to have a good iCloud storage for backups and good iPad storage, because I have 128 gigabytes and 50 gigabytes in iCloud. So it's pretty, that's what you will get. And that's it. If you need any help, then you should go to apple.com, support, whatever device you're doing, iPad. And there you go. Forgot password, find my iPad, I'm charging, repair options. Apple Pencil, I already have an Apple Pencil. That's a second generation. I don't have an iPad compatible with the second generation Apple Pencil, so you're probably gonna have to watch another video. But yeah, this is the first generation. And if you need help with the first generation, watch my video. And that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video.